Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You have the essentials ready: a compatible Apple device and FaceTime enabled. First, open Messages and pick the conversation where you want to send a FaceTime message. Next, tap the camera icon to access FaceTime effects and recording options. This puts you in the right mode. Make sure your microphone and camera permissions are allowed so audio and video record correctly. Once done, choose Record for a short clip or FaceTime Live to capture. Now you're recording and refining the message. Press and hold the record button for a short clip. You can swipe up to cancel mid-recording. After recording, preview the clip, trim ends, apply filters, add text, stickers, or a memoji to clarify tone. Make sure the audio sounds natural. If it's quiet, move closer to the microphone. When satisfied, add a short caption or tap send. Once sent, the recipient gets a tappable FaceTime message to view and reply. To finish, manage your sent FaceTime messages by pressing and holding a clip to react, forward, save to photos, or delete if needed. If a message fails to deliver, first check Wi-Fi or cellular connection and confirm the recipient's Apple ID or phone is reachable. Also ensure iOS is updated. For poor audio or video, re-record closer to the mic or in better light. If persistent problems occur, toggle FaceTime off and on in settings or restart your device to refresh services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.